I am every woman, it's all in me. Anything you want done, baby, I do it naturally. Whoa, 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 whoa. I am every woman, it's all in me. Anything you want done, baby. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. On this particular afternoon I had planned to jog, so I decided the weather is giving stay indoors, exercise indoors, so I made my way back to the house to do just that. But look at the beautiful jacaranda trees blooming in spring. Stunning in spite of the grim weather. Yeah, day made, day done. It's such a wonderful and amazing feeling once you're done. Done is done for the day. It's such an achievement because it's not easy. At this age, my very low fitness level, I akulula neze, but I'm just here to motivate you, my peers. If a 30 like myself, who's over 50, can do it, so can you. You just have to tell yourself, it's all up in here. Just need to stay determined, stay driven. Sometimes you just have to be your own motivator, you know. Just push yourself. Kumnandi when you see the results, you know, when you look at yourself in the mirror. Besides the losing weight part, I always say this, just to be healthy and to build those muscles. At our age, it's very important to strengthen the muscles because by so doing, you know, when you do resistance training, strength training, you also strengthen the bones, which at our age, it's very important to strengthen our bones. So all kinds of diseases that comes at this age, arthritis, whatnot. I hope you, in fact, I have to try my best. Which is not fit for less. And the feeling afterwards of drinking water. Also feel I deserve this water. I need to enjoy it, and I feel like it hammer throughout your body. Your very thirsty body. After all the sweat you lost during your workouts, it's brilliant. It's such an feeling. It's beautiful feeling of victory. So guys, so much for Vlogtober. I have to admit, I'm feeling dismally. With the Vlogtober situation, I just can't. You know, this is not easy, hey? You really need to appreciate content creators. Especially because, you know, some of us are not even getting paid. We are not at the level that we can get monetized. I mean, I share with my 2 subscribers. But anyway, I've said this before. I enjoy doing this. I really, really do enjoy doing it. I don't care that I'm not getting paid. I don't care that nobody's watching me. You know, but I get to watch myself, and I know my kids. All my friends should be watching me as well. Actually, you can't call yourself my friend if you don't watch my videos. If you call yourself my friend, if you call yourself my family, if you call yourself my associate, and you don't watch my videos, I shame. Delete. Delete number because you are not a true person of mine. Yeah, guys, a lot of work goes into this. A lot of preparation. For me, mostly the editing. It's not easy, but we're getting there. We're really improving. And I'm super proud of myself. Well, guys, we've come to the end of today's vlog. I'm looking forward to having a nice night's sleep after a hectic day, and it was such a hot day today. It was super hot. It's the 14th, or it's the 15th now, because it's after midnight. I do tend to sleep late. It's still hot. It's after midnight on the 15th of October, but it's still very, very hot. Johannesburg, it is so hot tonight. It was so hot during the day. It was so hot yesterday. Oh my goodness. What a start to, well, now we are towards we are approaching the end of spring. Soon it's going to be summer. So looks like spring wants to end on a very hot note. Like literally a very hot note. This is the second episode for my Vlogtober. I'm not very proud of the fact that on the 15th of October, I've only managed to do 2 vlogs when I'd hoped to post 2 videos per week. But one of the things that caused me to just really lose my mojo, really lose my spunk. I had a situation. When you're doing this kind of thing, when you're a content creator of this kind, you need to be in a good mood. You need to have a happy face. You need to be mentally and emotionally okay. And I really was not. So I had to take an unplanned break because there was an unexpected, very hurtful thing that happened. I lost a dear friend, one of my girlfriends, one of my close girlfriends, a very, very dear friend, passed away. She passed away on the 9th of October. It was quite a blow. She passed away of ill health. She'd been ill for quite a while, but still, you always hope that a person is going to get better, even if one would see, the situation is really like worsening. But somehow you're just in denial because you still want them around, and you know how much of a fighter they are. Oh my goodness, she is such an incredible fighter. She has been such a hardcore fighter. But we still were hoping that we're still gonna continue having her. She's still going to continue living her life, She's still going to be around us. It's a bit of consolation that, she's at peace now. No more pain for her. Because she did go through so much pain and suffering. What a very long time. It was on and off. That's why I'm saying, we still had hope that she was going to get better. It's terrible to think that I'm never going to see her again. That she's never going to be around us again. That we'll never see her. I feel so sorry for her daughter and the rest of her family. I feel so sorry. It's hard. It's so hard. I can just imagine what my friend's man is going through. The toughest thing, losing a partner, especially if Yeah, we've been together for a long time. So I can just imagine the pain, the suffering that he's going through right now. Because just like the rest of us, he was hoping that, she's going to pull through. Eish. This is the third close friend that I'm losing. The third friend who has passed away due to ill health. Yeah, it's so sad. Those who have lost friends, those who have lost close friends, know exactly how I'm feeling. Not just friends, someone who's very close to you, someone you had fun with, and you went through all the trials and tribulations of life. They know how that feeling is like. It's quite a loss for us as her friends. She was so smart. She was the smartest of all the friends. I have different groups of friends. In this particular group, she was the smartest, definitely. Very learned. She was in the health sector. And we knew we could always go to her to ask about any health situation, any health condition, any disease, and even for medication, uh, she would recommend the correct medication for any um, for any condition that you're suffering from. Um, I really think that she probably knew that her time was near. She was already beginning to show signs. She was doing things that she wasn't. She was doing things that she wouldn't normally do. She would. I remember 2 or 3 weeks before she passed away, she sent us a text in the group and said, "Can we have a conference call, like a group video call in the evening, like 9 p.m. That's so unlike her. She loves TV a lot. She watches a lot of TV, for her to suggest that we have a video call, a group video call at 9 at night. And I was the one in the group who said, "Why? What's the agenda?" Because I felt maybe she wanted to announce something. And she said, "No, just." And indeed, we had such a long video call. We were talking and laughing, but I'm glad that I managed to spend quality time with her. Maybe a month before she passed away, I spent the entire day with her. I brought foodies to her house. I had planned, I'm going to spend the whole day with her. So we had lunch together. We had early dinner. We had snacks afterwards. We were in her bedroom the whole time, talking, catching up, laughing, watching TV. It was so nice. And I remember when it was time to leave, because I left after 10 p.m. at night. I just could not leave. I could see that she was beginning to feel uncomfortable, like she really wanted her space. But something was like, no, I mustn't leave. I didn't want to leave. I remember when I was hugging her as I left, and I told her, "I love you." She said, "I love you too." I didn't think it was the last hug. I told her I was going to see her soon. Yeah, guys, I ufakujwayelekile, ufakujwayelekile. Akusoze bajwayele. That's the most beautiful thing. That I won't see her smile again, laughing, and, you know. Whew, it's hard. Anyway, I find some solace in the fact that she lived her life. She really had fun. She really explored life. She really experienced so many fun things. We really got up to some mischief sometimes. We really just had fun, fun, fun. She really lived her life to the fullest. She had so much energy, and she loved beautiful things, and she had big dreams, and she liked big things. That's a bit of a comforting thought, to know that she really loved. She really lived her life, and she loved the Lord. Oh, she will be missed. I hold such sweet, sweet memories of us. I have lots of happy thoughts about us. I will remember her in a happy way. Rest in peace, Dee. I love you. Rest in peace, my friend. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please forgive me that I had to cry in front of you, but it's quite an emotional situation that I'm in. And life goes on. We move. Life is so good. So let's stay living and let's stay woke. Goodbye till next time.